Python allows us to create mixed data structures as well. For instance, over here we can see we have two tuples defined, and even in those tuples we have a list included as one of the items of tuple. Now what we are doing over here is we are creating another list using these two tuples, and we're calling it as mixed, and you can see tuple 1 and tuple 2 are part of this list. Here we have created some print statements which is being used on these tuple 1 and tuple 2 to find out the types and the value that it contains. For instance, if I go ahead and run this, you'll find over here tuple 1 is, this is the tuple, and its type is tuple. Similarly, we have other set of print functions which are identifying the contents of those tuples. For instance, this tuple 1 is having an integer, then a float or decimal value, and then we have a string, and then again integer, and then a list. So that is what we are doing over here. You can see tuple 1 is 5, 5, and the type is list. Now finally, when we are on the mixed one, we are making use of isInstance function to identify the kind of data structure it is. So here we are saying isInstance mixed. In that case, we are just asking whether it is of type list. If yes, then it's printing mixed list. Otherwise, if it finds that the mixed data structure is of type tuple, in that case it's going to print mixed tuple. Otherwise, it will just print something else. And here at the bottom, you can see it says mixed list. So that is how we can work with mixed data structures in Python.